1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 58,156 miles on the odometer at the moment. Of course, 305 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. As you get a good look at the front fascia, you can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it, and I believe the blue was a 2-year only color, 83 to 84 possibly. You Monte Carlo experts, let me know down in the comments. Check out all the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the wheels. Mastercraft Avenger GT radials, and let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few spots on the hood. I did notice kind of a little bit of etching, as you can see. I guess if anything, kind of lack a better way to describe it. But again, overall, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. There's just a few spots, a little etching in it. Be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Blue and white two-tone interior, of course, bucket seat, center console. Does an aftermarket, I believe it's Pioneer radio, and we'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer peek at that radio, and it is working. So we take a look from the rear to the front, down the passenger side. This is a Southern car, and you can see around those wheel wells, lower rockers, looking good. Take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see the floor pans and how clean this car is on the underside. And you're also going to notice it does have a new catalytic converter, newer exhaust, basically the Y pipe to the mufflers is all good. So yeah, take a look at those underside pics. They'll always tell you a lot about a car. And once again, those pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Monte Carlos, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. So we take a look up and down the driver's side. See a little paint chip right there in the front. But again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this driver's side either. According to the technician that looked at this car in our service department, drives out very nicely. Power windows, power locks. Of course, the two-tone interior with the blue and white kind of cloth and vinyl combination. I did notice we do have a wear spot, a little wear hole in that other passenger side over there. Other than that, I haven't really noticed much for wearing these seats. Maybe a little spot on that backrest right there. And you'll be able to see the interior from every angle in the still pictures also. How about that headliner looking good? Tilt column, cruise control. Let's fire it up. All right, so there's the miles we can see it. 58,156. Stereo's working. The boss for you. And that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure's looking good. Tax working, voltmeter, and fuel gauge. And it also appears this car's been stored indoors, because that dash is in nice shape. There's a little closer look at that Pioneer. Looks like it also has a little remote control with it, but again, working fine. A little spot of wear on the dash right there. And again, AC blows cold. Now, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive too. But let's take a listen first. Sounds good. little rumble coming out of that 305 V8. Let's slip up to the front. I think I could probably get this one handed. There we go. Nice clean hood liner. Doesn't look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather. There it is. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's also been converted from R12 to 134A, so that's been done. New battery, just a few months old, and there is a disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice, clean, tidy base, sounds good and looks good. 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. All those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726 is the number to call. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. That very 1980s blue. It's almost like a grayish blue, looking good on this car. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. This is an automatic on the center console. Very responsive throttle. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. I want to say the speedometer might read a little slow. The fuel gauge shows a quarter of a tank. The volts are charging over 14. The temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. And the oil pressure is 55 PSI. Tachometer working. We have a Pioneer stereo under the dash. And that is working. Wipers also working on this car. Nice looking bucket seats. SS embroidered on the headrest of those seats. Door panels, that kind of off-white goes very well with the rest of the aesthetic in this car. We got the SS steering wheel. Brakes nice and smooth. Loaded up with power windows. Corners nicely. They had decent sized sway bars on these cars, which makes it corner much better. Perfect amount of rumble coming out the back. Check out all the pictures of this 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo at uniqueclassiccars.com.